making bread. I hope you enjoy it. Here are the ingredients. We need bread, pizza sauce, then we need mozzarella cheese and Parmesan cheese. Then we need the toppings. We take tomatoes, bell peppers, and some cooked chicken nuggets. First, we need to toast the bread. Now we're going to spread the butter on the bread. Now spread the pizza sauce on the bread. Now add the toppings. You can add whatever toppings you want on each bread. Now spread the mozzarella cheese. Now sprinkle the Parmesan cheese. We preheated the oven for 400 degrees Fahrenheit and bake the bread for 15 minutes. Now our delicious pizza is ready to eat. It's good. I like it.
Good.